When the news of coronavirus started rippling across the country and across the world, all industries were impacted, including the construction industry. Companies are being stretched. It's hard to get the cash to pay your employees and to pay the people out on the job. I'm Scott Wolf. I'm the CEO of Levelset. Here are a few things that your company can do in this environment to succeed. First, you want to start attending to all the immediate issues that you have in play. There are supply chain issues. There's problems where projects can't move forward. There are delays that are inherent in the logistics that you now confront. And there is problem with cash. And what you want to do is you want to take inventory of all these items and start to address them. A second step that you can do is to start getting serious about your lien rights. Getting serious about your lien rights has two components. One of those components is really immediate term and really reactionary. You want to look at all the money you have on the street. You want to get liens filed on anything that is unpaid or that is late. The second thing is a bit more proactive. As you do more work, you have to make sure that you have your lien rights protected at all times. It's super important because when you walk onto a job, there's a whole community of participants that is on that job, a whole community of stakeholders. And everyone in the community is impacted today by this coronavirus outbreak and by the economic challenges that are rippling out from this outbreak. And if every single person on the job is impacted, it's going to be impossible for anybody to know which person's going to have real problems and how those problems are going to impact you. And so it's super critical and super important. And the advice here is unanimous to make sure you keep your lien rights protected on the job so that you know that your company is in the best position possible to get paid no matter what happens on the project. Another thing you want to do is you want to monitor the general contractors on the job. It's important to keep an eye on the general contractors because ultimately it's the general contractors that are going to dictate how fast and how slow money gets distributed and how money gets distributed across the chain. And you want to keep track of their behaviors and see whether or not you have anything to worry about. Another thing you want to do is you want to increase your cash cushion as much as possible. In this climate, and for quite a while, cash is going to be king, and cash and access to cash is going to be crucial to you being able to succeed. There are a lot of ways for you to increase your cash cushion. You can get working capital loans, and you should access those if they're available to you. Keep your eye out for stimulus money and SBA programs and take advantage of those when you can. Try to get credit terms extended with your suppliers, or look at third parties who offer longer credit terms for suppliers. At Levelset, it's our mission to empower contractors like you to always get what they earn, in good times and in challenging times. And to those ends, you can lean on Levelset. You can come to us for our network of construction attorneys who help answer your questions and produce all types of great content for you to consume to better understand your rights and how to make the payment process as easy as possible. Our software platform will help you file liens to make sure that you're best positioned to get paid, and will make protecting your rights as simple as possible. Levelset also provides you with insights constantly to better understand who's on your job and what's going on with the parties that are on your job. And finally, we can help you get cash in your hands through working capital loans, through making longer supplier payment terms, through helping you with slow paying accounts and getting those things paid faster. We can connect you to partners that help you with financing so that at every turn you have the cash you need and that you're empowered to get what you deserve on every job. So thank you, good luck, and remember that payment help is here.